Hello guys, welcome back to IPCS Digital with a brand new video on Facebook tips. If you use Facebook, chances are there is a whole host of personal and semi-private information you don't want anyone else getting a hold of. You can protect your Facebook account from potential hacks with a little trouble. Thanks to Facebook's two-factor authentication integration. After logging to your Facebook page, go to the upper right corner of your screen. Click the upside down triangle menu. Then click on Settings. Select the Security and Login submenu. Click on Use Two-Factor Authentication. Click on Get Started. Now choose a security method. Here I am selecting the text message option to my phone number. Facebook will then send a test code to your phone to approve service. Enter that code here. And you are done. Two-factor authentication is on in your profile. Click Finish. Now let's see how it is working. Now I am again trying to log into IPCS tutorial. As we have turned on two-factor authentication, you need to enter the login code received on your phone. You can save the browser you are going to use Facebook from. But whenever somebody trying to log in from a new browser, Facebook will ask to enter login code, which will be received in your phone number. So that's all for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned, stay updated till our next video.